over beach access, with residents complaining that although beaches are public, many remain difficult or impossible to access. Speaking recently at a municipal meeting, Councillor for the Brayton Division, Anthony Wint, says the municipality should play a greater role in managing those spaces.
We have 4 beaches, public beaches. Port Henderson, which you have to pay a fee to use it. Fort Clarence Beach, which you have to pay a fee to use it. Beach Splash, again, you have to pay a fee to access it. And the Hellshop Beach, on holidays and on Sundays or weekends, you have to pay a fee to access it.
He adds that while changes are coming, the municipality has not been included in key discussions.
I've not gotten a response from them, nor have we been invited to participate in the amendment to the old act and to form this new act, which will enable locals to have more access to our beaches. So that being a concern, I am seeking some clarity from the relevant authority that has the responsibility for dealing with the amendment.
In recent times, other stakeholders have also raised concerns about the policy tabled in Parliament by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. Environmental groups, including the Jamaica Beach Birthright Environmental Movement, say the policy does not go far enough in addressing public access issues. In the meantime, the Jamaica Defense Coast Guard and Marine Police will be making another attempt today to locate a man who is suspected to have drowned at Sandhill Beach in Portmore, St. Catherine yesterday afternoon. The incident is reported to have happened in a no-swimming area. It's reported that the man was a part of a group of 6 people at the beach when he got into difficulty. Members of the group tried to rescue him but were unable to do so. An alarm was raised and a search was launched for the man, but he was not found. This is the second incident to have occurred at the Sandhill Beach this year. On January 1, a woman and her teenage brother reportedly encountered difficulties while swimming. A policeman who went to their rescue also encountered challenges due to rough sea conditions. Her brother and the constable remain unaccounted for. It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. It's now time for the Business Minute.
Paramount Trading is reporting improved financial performance for the 9 months ended February 28, 2026, despite challenges posed by Hurricane Melissa. The company recorded revenues of $1.26 billion for the period, an increase of 6%. Profit before tax totaled $147.2 million, a significant turnaround from a loss of $39.5 million in the corresponding period last year. For the third quarter, the company posted revenues of $432.7 million, with profit before tax climbing to $32 million, more than doubling last year's performance. Management says the results were impacted by the lingering effects of Hurricane Melissa, which disrupted operations among some industrial customers. However, activity gradually returned to normal by the end of January. The company also reduced its finance cost following the final loan payment to Allegheny during the quarter. Further afield, AAA says gas is holding steady around $4.13 a gallon, but oil prices look more volatile on Monday. That's after both Brent and WTI crude posted overnight peaks above $100 a barrel. Investors appear to be reacting to the latest strain on the Strait of Hormuz. The Pentagon says it has plans for a shipping blockade of Iranian ports. The U.S. Central Command says it does not apply to vessels in the strait that are moving between non-Iranian ports. Experts say a blockade could cost Iran money, but also could further strain global energy markets. A long-term ceasefire plan between Tehran and Washington remains elusive. For the Business Minute, I'm Prince Moore.
Thank you, Prince. Time now for the top stories from around the world. In the region, the Caribbean community has extended condolences to Haiti following a deadly stampede at the historic Citadel La Ferrière. At least 30 people were killed after panic erupted at the site over the weekend, with heavy rains reportedly triggering the stampede. Officials say many victims died from suffocation, while others were trampled as crowds surged. Prime Minister Alex Didier Filzame expressed profound sadness, saying authorities are mobilized to support those affected. CARICOM Chair Terence Drew also reached out as the region stands in solidarity with Haiti. Officials warn the death toll could rise as investigations continue into the tragedy. And on the international scene, extreme weather is battering parts of the United States, with other regions facing very different conditions. A powerful multi-day storm continues to pound Hawaii, dumping more than a month's worth of rain and triggering flood alerts as the state recovers from a March flooding. In Colorado and Georgia, drought conditions are worsening, prompting water conservation efforts and raising concerns for farmers. And in California, winter isn't over yet, with heavy snow and a weekend storm warning in the Sierras. And those were the top regional and international stories. We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.